How to convert friend requests to followers in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you convert or change add friend to follow on Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top left, simply tap on your profile picture. From here, I will show you my default profile view by tapping on the option View As. As you can see, here is the option for Add Friend, and to change it for Follow, you'll have to just come on the section Profile and tap on three dots. From Profile Settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on Turn on Professional Mode. From here, tap on Turn on, and from here, as usual, follow the prompts or procedure to turn on Professional Mode. Simply tap on Next. Choose your default audience and tap on Next. Tap on Confirm. As you can tap on Next or skip this. After you convert your account to professional, you'll be able to get that follow button. Simply I will show you whenever I tap on View Ads, other people will see follow button instead of add friend. And that's it. This is the way to convert friend request or add friend to followers on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.